Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kasie and today I'm going to be making something for your home, and that is the faux rust technique. This is my date of birth. This is the year I was born and I turned 40 a couple of weeks ago. I'm having a party and I just thought, why not just pin my year of birth on the wall as kind of a quirky little party corner with all the glasses and the bottles and the cocktails being made around it. So that's my idea with this, but you can do anything. What I'm going to show you today is how you actually create that effect, that amazing old rusty effect. Okay, this is what you need. Okay, so start with whatever it is you're decorating with rust. Spray paint. You need a whole bunch of paint. Copper, this kind of aqua or turquoise, a really vibrant orange, black, brown and white. Cinnamon, my favourite painting tool, your everyday kitchen scourer. A water gun, I literally nicked this from my little girl's aquabead set, but you can use any water gun. And a range of paintbrushes. Start by spraying your base layer of colour. It can be any colour you want. You might see parts of this poking through your rust. Once you've done this, give it a quick blast with a hairdryer. Squeeze out your colours onto your surface. That's your palette, okay? Then this is the secret ingredient. This is what gives you that amazing sort of sandy, gritty vibe that you get with genuine rust, and it's cinnamon. So at this point, I'm actually gonna just put a little pile here. Okay, your tool, your main tool, your kitchen sponge. Cut your sponge into 4 pieces and keep one dry. You'll need that for later. Now add some cinnamon to your brown paint and mix together. Start applying roughly, avoid brush strokes. This is all about a real rough and ready appearance. Sponge off any excess paint to create a more natural look. To help with this, give it a little spritz with your water gun and then carry on until you've got full coverage. This is what you want. You want it so that when you're pressing, you're lifting some of the paint off, and that's what's going to give you the natural look. You don't want it to be just a blanket coverage of brown. Top tip for when doing this effect, which I did when I did it for the first time, is Google rust. Find a picture of the perfect rust effect and just copy that. Now take your copper and your flat brush, and what you're doing is you're streaking it very gently down the item, and it's just going to catch on those bumpy bits and give it that really fabulous metallic look you get. Using your black paint, add some darker patches. This will help to give it a really distressed look. Okay, so here, that wouldn't necessarily look very natural. Take your water gun, give it a spritz, let it run, and then just dab it and let some of that paint lift off. See how now I'm literally going around the whole palette and getting little bits of all the different colours you've got going on. I'm using a bit of sandpaper here. I'm using 120 grit, and I'm just going around the edges to create a real sort of rough, worn appearance. Next bit, this is the exciting bit. This is when we start to use your teal and your white. Okay, so you take your water gun. Add a bit of water to your turquoise paint using your water gun, and then using your flat brush, mix together with a little bit of your white paint. Then start to apply where you feel it would naturally sit. Now what we're trying to do here is recreate the whole oxidization process. So aim for high points on your object where rain would naturally fall and create this beautiful turquoise dappled effect. Okay, so this is one of my favorite bits. Once you've applied those bits of paint, take your water gun and give it a spritz and let the paint run. Just let it do its thing. This is when it starts to become really natural and really authentic. So you can fiddle around with this as much as you want until you're happy. The last thing I want to do is I just want to get some dark here, you see, because this is what I want it to look a bit burnt, like it's almost been in a fire. And if you want to, you don't have to at all, you could just like puncture a little hole in, or even just dent it so it looks like it's been really, it's been on a journey basically. Like I said, you don't have to go as heavy on the rust as this. You could just do a few of my techniques on a metallic painted surface, but I am digging this rust. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and obviously if you like this one, will you give it a thumbs up for me and leave comments below, because I just love hearing feedback on what you guys think, or if you've got ideas on what I should do. I'll give anything a stab. If you do these ones, if you do it, not necessarily numbers or letters, if you do it on an item or a chair or anything, take a picture and tag me in on social media, like Instagram, something like that, and I'll definitely give you a shout out, and I just love seeing them anyway. And if you want to know when I've got a video coming out, then just press the notification bell, and that will give you a little alert when I post. See you later.
Come on.